All right, you welcome back. Yes, now to Talk, and we still get the legendary reggae artist inside the studio, Kimono himself. Yes, he did for inside the studio, and another person don't join us. Now, you know, saying once Papa they follow one particular line, definitely the daughter must to join body with them, and we get the daughter, Kimono, in the studio. Now, before we break, I said, we'll talk about, just briefly, we'll talk about Majek Fashek, because we hear say now they don't do like appeal for the beg Nigeria and say maybe they put money inside to support them. What do you think about this particular issue?
Public opinion or genuine opinion or simple opinion?
Genuine.
Or private, my private opinion. Hey, listen, Majek is my brethren, yeah? We come a long way, we've done a lot of things together, we've done stuff. Whoever behind this publicity now, so Majek Life, this is medicine after death, right? They should, people clamoring for this, should have done this 10, 15 years ago. Why now? Why now? Now it's too hard to handle now.
It's too late.
It's too hard to handle. Well, nothing is ever late. Okay. Jah is always in control. If Jah say, I'm going to bring you out of the gully to the palace, definitely he will do it. Yeah, so, but them man, they all clamoring, or woman, they all clamoring for this now. I don't look at it and say, the my joke at Rasta, you know. It's my brethren. We talk every day. Me and we talk every day. We go concert. Man, we went to Ghana this year. Me and Majek took to Ghana this year. We had a concert, March, Independence Ghana. We came back. We talk every day, man. If I leave the studio now, I call Majek, yo, what about Rasta? Yeah, my brethren, what's up, man? We link up every day. So I don't know how far this is going to go. I don't know how far it's going to go. But kind of see, somebody took a picture of him 2 weeks ago and put on internet, oh, Majek making money on the Jumo bus up.
I see him.
Now, yeah, after then, all this now,
picture of Majek Fashek.
yeah, come up and say, yeah, I want to do it. But before then, where have you been? Over these years? I mean, come on. Yeah. I just don't know. We'll do our best and leave the rest in the hand of Jah.
Myself. All right, so make we talk about the daughter, Kimono, inside the studio.
The sound for reggae is pra-ka, pra-ka. I always say pra.
No. You know, okay, fine. Don't say he always say, they always use number
You know what? Because the father chose the mother with my music. No, say.
Yes,
man. So, okay. That's a gunshot for the wicked man there.
You know, okay, how he feels to be Papa picking of legendary artists? Because I know the pressure where ordinary politician picking they face.
Yes.
When they go outside, for instance, I go outside, I say, okay, my name is Betiana Dangote. I know as people go holla me well up on top road. So you as Kimono, how the name, what's in the name they do for you in the general public?
First and foremost, me would I say it's a privilege to be Kimono's daughter. Yeah. And the way I feel when people say that's Kimono's daughter, sometimes I want to hide.
Yeah, you want to be you.
Yeah.
You know, people put too much eye on you and they expect too much, you know? Because when you go out and people identify you as, oh, that's Kimono's daughter, that alone sets me off, number one. I say, hey, I have a name. My name is Oge, first of all. And then after you can say, this is Kimono's daughter. It comes with a lot. There is always an advantage and a disadvantage. Disadvantage in the sense that people see you and they expect too much from you. Sometimes you're walking on the street and area boys come and say, oh, you're Kimono's daughter, find something for the youth man them. And really and truly, sometimes you don't have nothing on you. You just want to take a walk, you know. But still, I can't complain too much. I would say the music industry is growing. It has grown from what it used to be, you know. And it's good that we have export products from the music industry. And that is a big advantage and that is a big privilege for a country like Nigeria, you know. Of course, we are known as the giant of Africa. So with an entertainment industry or a music scene that is growing big, which is becoming internationally accepted, it is definitely a plus. And I would say I'm really, really happy to be a Nigerian.
Wow. I feel you use the song with your papa.
No, man, we never record a tune yet, but we're working on it. It's something that is coming soon. Sizzling hot.
What you call your own song? You call it Lovers Reggae or Reggae
I
Raga
do,
or Romantic?
I do Lovers.
I like reggae songs.
I do Lovers Rock. They call it Lovers Rock.
Okay,
right?
you do, yes.
I do two sub-genres of reggae music. It's called Lovers Rock and the dance hall.
Woohoo! Cynthia Morgan, watch out.
From Twitter, person they ask Kimono question. He said, what tribe Sarah Kimono actually come from?
I've been telling those who cares to listen, Africa is my child.
You don't hear?
That Chuban African, and that my tribe. It's
not segregation.
No, with no apology. I don't. It's my right to claim anywhere in Africa. You know, it's my right.
You know, funny enough, I go bank today. Then they ask one man, say, okay, where be your state of origin? The man say, well, which kind of question be that one? Say, put everywhere. Put Lagos. Put Ibadan. Put Delta. Put Asaba. I'm a Nigerian. No, they ask me that kind of question.
Yes, you stop that thing.
And they initially, I looked the man like, say, what's in the worry this man? But when I consider and think, I said, but really, now one of the problems that we get for inside Nigeria is that issue of ethnicity and the segregation of different tribes.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.